in order, and including the roundel on that side of the aeroplane, spell out the word long. This, of course, is in tribute to the late Squadron Leader Mark Long, one of the flight pilots who sadly lost his life last year. Those code letters are original for a Mark 16 Spitfire, namely an aircraft of number 604 County of Middlesex Squadron of the Royal Auxiliary Air Force, a unit that was 2025. Look out across the parkland to your right from the Royal Air Force Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, the Supermarine Spitfire XVIe.
Do you think air shows will be tangibly worse?